So hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tech Information 7. Today we are going to make the trending editing, that is Rouk FF editing, as it is like Rouk FF without any changes. So let us check out the preview. So have you seen the preview, guys? Trust me, you'll also going to be doing like that. So first you'll be needing a PNG from your screenshot. In the before video I've told you how to extract your character as PNG. So I've saved this image and I'll be going to PIXELLAB and click on three dots, click on image size, click on custom, click on YouTube thumbnail and click on OK, and go to the fourth option and select color and select black. Next select and next click on third option and from gallery and import the PNG which you have cutted from PSCC, and click on OK and click on stroke and click on enable and decrease the stroke to 1%, and next click on shadow, enable it, and I'll be using light sea blue. So and click on inner shadow and select the same color, and now click on the color option, click on enable and select black color. The next thing you wanna do is save, and let us jump into KineMaster. And after exporting your image to KineMaster, click on layers and click on effects, click on mirage, which will be easily available in KineMaster store, and increase the size. Okay, and click on handwriting and erase it very slowly. So only erase the outer part and click on the second option and select erase by stroke. Next select your glow effect to the screenshot which we used handwritten effect. Next again click on the duplicate layer, and click on layers and select which you haven't used handwriting tool, and click on blending option and click on screen and set the exact size to it. So yes, set the exact size, and now we have got the effect, and you'll be doing this effect in this effect three times, and you can also change the hue. I'll be changing it to pink. Yeah, I'll be changing it to green. Okay, see how perfect it is looking. And again repeat those steps which I have been told you. Right, now let us export because we are exceeding the layers. So again we will be going into blending option, click on screen and increase the perfect size to it. Okay then, so let us add key animations to the layer. So this is how you wanna add key animations to your layer. So again, add at the last where your again character glow will be going, so that it will be perfect. Okay, right, I'll be changing the hue of the second one also to the darker color. Okay, pink is okay. Now once again let us check out the print. So again we gonna repeat these steps to the left side. So it is so simple guys, but it is tricky part. So guys, you have seen right the Rouk FF editing under 10 minutes. So it will take actually more time. I'll skip some clips like cutting the character PNG and all, because that is like time taking in videos, so that is why I cutted those all. So this is the Rouk FF editing guys, simple tricky editing behind Rouk FF. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Tech Information. Meet you in the other video, and then bye bye.